May I ask who your little friend is?
So I found him in the dirt after two people were fighting. And he whispered to me to pick him up and put him on my shoulder, and I thought, oh, he looks harmless, so why not? And then I found out that it's actually, within him is the spirit of Sigmar. So I must protect him at all costs.
Wow.
If only tries to take it from me, I'll cut down and kill him.
That big heavy coat you got is weighing you down, Ogre. Down those headlings! That's it!
What heresy?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they went that way.
You've got to kill some henchlings who stole.
I had heard.
They're gone.
Oh, and they're already dead.
Not quick enough, Master Ogre.
We're deadly at short distances, not long marathons.
You can't catch up with the best henchling around.
I can. He's outside the tent. I can kill him.
Don't you mock that in the graveyard.